A man's greatest weapon is his patience. Strength lies not in physical capacity, but in indomitable will. In the face of adversity, a true warrior remains steadfast. Honor is the foundation of a man's character. Never underestimate the power of unity and brotherhood. A leader's duty is to protect and provide for his people. The path of righteousness may be difficult, but it is always worth treading. The true measure of a man is his loyalty to his principles. A wise man learns from his mistakes. A wiser man learns from the mistakes of others. The future is forged through the actions of the present. Choose wisely. A man who stands for nothing will fall for anything. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. To lead is to serve is to lead. The heart knows the way, even when the mind cannot see it. In the darkest moments, true heroes shine their brightest.